Day trading crypto, is it a path to riches, or a quick way to empty your wallet? And more importantly, can Coinbase be your weapon of choice? Let's find out in the next 90 seconds. First, the good. Coinbase is undeniably easy to use. Step 1. Creating an account and navigating the interface is a breeze, perfect for beginners. Step 2. Buying and selling crypto is straightforward with their simple buy and sell buttons. Step 3. Tracking basic price movements is also easy with the default chart. But here's the catch. Coinbase's fees can seriously eat into your profits. Step 4. Notice the high percentage base fees on standard Coinbase. This could mean sacrificing a significant portion of your potential gains on each trade. Now, let's talk tools. Step 5. Coinbase's charting capabilities are limited compared to other platforms. Day trading demands advanced tools like technical indicators and order book analysis, things that are missing on Coinbase's basic platform. Platform stability is crucial, and Coinbase has had its share of outages during peak volatility. Step 6. Imagine missing crucial trading opportunities because the platform is down. That is a risk. Finally, consider trading pairs. Step 7. Coinbase's selection is smaller than exchanges like Binance or Kraken. This limits your options for finding profitable trading opportunities. So, is Coinbase good for day trading? Step 8. If you're a total beginner who values simplicity above all else and are trading small amounts, maybe. Step 9. But for serious day traders, the high fees, limited tools, and potential for outages make it a less-handled choice. Consider exploring platforms with lower fees and more advanced features.